Children, and welcome back to the English class. As you all know, we have started lesson number 10, A Gift of Love. In this video, we'll wind up the chapter. So now, let's see what happened next. Come to page number 77. Children, let's have a quick recap of the chapter. In the last video, we have read that Hamid is a 4-year-old boy who is living with his grandma, as both the father and mother are not with him. And he's very much excited to go to Eidgah with the other villagers and other boys. When the children reach the fair, all of them rush toward different stores to have swings, to buy toys, and to have sweets. And Hamid is only left out, who is just looking at the things, who wished to have all but didn't buy anything because he was waiting for something unique to buy. At last, he stood at a place to see a pile of tongs, and he thought it would be a useful thing to have in the house. So now, coming to the next, Hamid asked the shopkeeper, "How much is this pair of tongs for?" And the shopkeeper replies, 6 paisa. Hamid's heart sinks. Why? As we have read that he has only 3 paisa. So he becomes sad that he can't buy. He thinks himself, "Will you give it me for 3? asks Hamid, and walks away lest the shopkeeper screams at him. He was just thinking and he just spoke out, "Can you give it me for 3? And he knew that the shopkeeper will yell at him, he will scream at him. So he started walking. But the shopkeeper does not scream. He calls Hamid back and gives him the pair of tongs. At first, Hamid's friends laugh at him, but Hamid says his pair of tongs can reduce all their toys to dust. His friends started laughing at him that what a silly item you have bought. But he says that his pair of tongs, it can reduce all their toys to dust, that they don't have any value in front of his tongs. His tong mean a lot to him and the toys seems negligible. The pair of tongs wins over everyone to its side. As soon as he reaches home, Amina runs out of the house and kisses him. As he reaches home, Grandma, who was eagerly waiting for her grandchild to come, she kisses him. Suddenly, she notices the pair of tongs in his hand. "Where did you find these tongs?" she asks him. And he replies, "I bought them." "But why?" So the child replies, You burn your fingers on the iron pan whenever you make chapatis." The old woman's heart melts. At this reply, when she heard this, her heart melts. She is deeply moved by Hamid's selflessness. Big tears fall from her eyes. She hugs him as if they were never to be parted for life. So this small deed, this small act, this small item moved the grandmother's heart totally. She was totally moved by his selflessness, that the child has not bought anything for him. The small child has this much sense that he has thought for me that the grandma burns her fingers whenever she makes chapatis. This deed of the child melted her heart, and she hugs the child in such a way that they were never to be parted for life. So children, the word parted means separated. वो बच्चे को ऐसे हक करती हैं that she is not going to separate from the child for the rest of the life. So children, here ends this beautiful chapter. Soon we will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.